What's up, guys? I wanted to make a quick video on the landing gear and the handle. For most new drivers, I learned this over time on my own. No one taught me this, but I wanted to pass this information on. When you try to, right now it's hard. When you try to drop the landing gear or raise the landing gear, if I'm taking this trailer with me, you try to raise it and it doesn't want to go up, and you're fighting with this handle, you gotta, in some trailers you gotta pull it in or out. In this case, you gotta pull it out. You put it on the low gear and you spin it. And you keep spinning until those legs raise a little bit. Oh. Legs raised a little bit. I push it back in, and you raise it the rest of the way. I hope that helped someone.